Picture this: your hairbrush full of fallen strands, your shower drain clogged, and your hair feeling thin and lifeless. It's a daily struggle for so many, watching your hair shed, feeling helpless as you sweep up what you've lost. The dream of thick, shiny hair seems out of reach, reserved for movie stars and glossy ads. But what if you could change this story? Imagine waking up to a clean pillow, brushing your hair and seeing only a few strands left behind. Your hair feels strong, full, and shines with a natural glow. This isn't a fantasy. It's a transformation you can start today, right from your kitchen. Forget expensive treatments. Simple, natural ingredients can revive your hair, step by step. We often overlook the power of pantry staples, thinking real solutions must be costly or complicated. This guide will show you how to use everyday ingredients to address hair fall and slow growth. From scalp care to nutrition, each remedy is easy, affordable, and effective. You'll learn to make scalp oils, nutrient-packed smoothies, clarifying rinses, and deep conditioning masks. This isn't about quick fixes. It's about building a routine that honors your hair's natural needs. These time-tested rituals, backed by modern science, can transform your hair's health. Each step is an act of self-care, empowering you to take control of your hair's destiny. The journey to strong, silky hair begins now, with the humble power of your own kitchen. Healthy hair starts at the root, a nourished scalp. A regular oil massage boosts blood flow, delivering nutrients to your follicles. Use coconut, almond, or olive oil. Warm 2 tablespoons until just comfortable. Part your hair, apply oil with your fingertips, and massage in gentle circular motions. Focus on moving the scalp, not just rubbing the surface. Spend 5 to 10 minutes. This simple ritual relaxes you and stimulates growth. Studies show daily scalp massage increases hair thickness by activating growth cells. After massaging, work oil through your hair's lengths to condition and protect. Leave the oil in for at least an hour, or overnight for deep conditioning. Do this once or twice a week to create the perfect environment for healthy, thriving hair. This foundational ritual sets the stage for all your other hair remedies. True hair health starts from within. What you eat matters. Your follicles need a steady supply of nutrients to build strong, resilient hair. A daily smoothie is an easy way to feed your hair from the inside out. Blend 1 cup spinach, half an avocado, half a cup Greek yogurt, a tablespoon chia seeds, and a cup of berries with almond milk or water. This mix delivers iron, vitamin E, protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Everything your hair craves. Iron prevents hair loss, vitamin E protects, and healthy fats keep your scalp supple. Real results come from consistency, like Maya, who saw new growth and less shedding after 3 months of daily smoothies. The protein and antioxidants build strong fibers and protect follicles. Chia seeds reduce inflammation for a healthier scalp. 5 minutes a day, and you're investing in long-term hair health. Nourish your body, and your hair will follow. Dull, lifeless hair is often weighed down by product and mineral buildup. A weekly apple cider vinegar rinse is a natural way to restore shine and bounce. Its acidity matches your hair's pH, sealing cuticles and smoothing strands. Mix 1 part raw, unfiltered ACV with 4 parts water. After shampooing, pour or spray the mixture over your hair, massage in, and let sit for 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse with cool water to lock in shine. The vinegar smell disappears as your hair dries. Many find they don't even need conditioner after this rinse. Use weekly for hair that's clean, soft, and brilliantly shiny. Healthy hair isn't just about products, it's about daily habits. Tight ponytails, harsh brushing, and heat styling cause breakage and thinness. Switch to loose, protective styles with silk or satin scrunchies to minimize friction. Sleep with your hair in a loose braid or pineapple bun to prevent tangling. Try a homemade rosemary water spray. Boil rosemary in water, cool, strain, and mist your scalp daily. Rosemary stimulates growth and strengthens strands, proven as effective as commercial treatments. Gentle handling and mindful styling can increase hair thickness and reduce split ends. Treat your hair with kindness every day. Small changes add up to big results. For deep repair, nothing beats an overnight hair mask. Blend 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons plain yogurt, and 1 tablespoon honey. Avocado's fats moisturize, yogurt's protein strengthens, and honey locks in hydration. Apply the creamy mask to damp hair, saturating every strand. Pile hair in a loose bun, Cover with a shower cap and leave overnight. Rinse in the morning for hair that's soft, smooth, and full of life. This weekly ritual reverses damage and restores vibrancy. The transformation is immediate. Frizz disappears, shine returns. Make this mask your go-to for intensive repair. For centuries, the Yao women of China have used rice water for legendary hair growth. The secret? Fermentation, which boosts nutrients and creates inositol, a compound that repairs and protects hair. Rinse half a cup of rice, discard the water, then soak in 2 cups of clean water for 30 minutes. Strain, then ferment the cloudy water in a jar at room temperature for 12-24 hours until slightly sour. Store in the fridge. After shampooing, spray fermented rice water onto your scalp and hair. Massage in, let sit for 15-20 minutes, then rinse and condition. Use weekly to strengthen hair, reduce breakage, and boost shine. Fermented rice water is more potent than plain. Don't skip this step. This ancient remedy, modernized, can help you achieve the long, strong hair you've always wanted. Consistency is key. Make it part of your routine for unstoppable growth. If you love natural and homemade beauty tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy remedies and hair care secrets. Your journey to healthier, more beautiful hair starts here.